In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule meeting group in HubSpot. Whether you are collaborating with colleagues or organizing a session with clients, setting up a group meeting can streamline the process and save valuable time. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you have everything you need to get started. First, you'll want to head over to the user guide section on HubSpot. You can access this by going to the central dashboard where you'll find various menus. Looking around the dashboard might feel a bit overwhelming initially, but don't worry, we're here to take it one step at a time. From this main view, you'll look for the section titled Vantabasidam. This is typically located on the primary navigation menu at the top of your HubSpot interface. Give that a click and you'll be well on your way. Next, once you've clicked on Sales, you'll want to locate and click on Meeting Scheduler. This is a crucial tool that allows you to manage and organize your meetings with ease. By accessing the Meeting Scheduler, you're setting the foundation for a smooth scheduling process. Take your time to familiarize yourself with what's available in this section, as it will help you make informed decisions later on. Now that you're in the Meetings Scheduler, you're going to click on Create Scheduling Page. This action takes you one step closer to setting up your meeting group. Think of it as creating a digital space dedicated to your upcoming meeting. When you click here, you'll be prompted to begin building your scheduling page, which serves as the hub of your meeting information. Once you're ready to move forward, select the option Group from the available choices. This final step is crucial as it sets the tone for a collaborative effort. By clicking Group, you're specifying that you're setting up a meeting involving multiple team members or participants. This selection is ideal for team discussions, brainstorming sessions, or any meeting format where group interaction is key. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a group schedule meeting in HubSpot. Remember, taking the time to plan your meetings effectively in an organized manner not only improves efficiency, but also helps in effective communication amongst team members. As you continue to work with this tool, feel free to explore its features more deeply. You might discover additional functionalities that could further enhance your scheduling experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.